Edward Shinewald is a professional engineer with a self-confessed passion for making stuff. He co-founded his first manufacturing company, Equinox Industries, in the mid-1970s. In 1985, he acquired Mellet Plastics. At that time, the company had dated equipment and about 20 employees working a single shift.
I've always liked manufacturing. Even when I was a little kid, I liked toys that you could build things. And I remember I always wanted a mechano set, and we could never afford a mechano set. This is my mechano set.
Our bench strength has been Ed's operational philosophies around lean manufacturing and continuously driving home the fact that we've got to eliminate anything that's wasteful, that customers aren't willing to pay for, and focus on value-added activities.
There are two main components of the company. One is Mellet Plastics and the other is Ambitech.
Our mantra is leaders in engineering plastic solutions. So our focus right now is not what we'd call commodity molding, which would be like pen caps or that type of product, but we're looking at a little higher up the food chain, more sophisticated products and technologies. We've got heavy focus on our engineering. I mean, we'll work with customers on that front end design development of their product, and that's where we add value.
It's fun. It's interesting. Every day, it's different. We're always running different stuff.
We export about 50% of our product into the U.S. If you look at your drain valve, your hot water tank drain valve at home, very good chance you got a Mellet Plastics drain valve sticking out the bottom of it, plus a whole bunch of other plastic gadgets inside the water heater we produce here. All the who's who of manufacturing locally, likely a customer of ours, companies like E.H. Price, Vansco Electronics, Lowen Windows, Monarch Industries, Phillips and Temro, MacDon Industries.
That's the Mellet side. The Ambitech side is something we're very proud of. Ambitech is a wholly owned subsidiary of Mellet, which manufactures canes for the visually impaired. And these canes go all over the world. And Ambitech has been a great success because of our lean manufacturing techniques and our marketing. We've worked hard to learn what customers want, what they like, and we've worked hard to be able to give them any size, in any quantity, in a quick turnaround.
What really impressed me about Ed is that he's just a natural teacher. I've seen groups of youth, high school students coming to his plant, and Ed just shines in how he explains how things are made, what the process is all about, and again, what the opportunities are for them.
Every so often I look at myself in the mirror when I'm shaving and I say to myself, it's been 1,000 years since somebody handed you a check for working as an employee. And you know, my family's fed and my bills are paid, and it's very satisfying to know that I can do that, and that many other people who work here can do it, because I'm not the only one who's generating the success. As a matter of fact, a lot of people here work a lot harder than I do.
He's really big on empowerment, which is critical. You know, a lot of the great ideas won't come from folks like he and I, but they'll come from folks on the shop floor, front lines. They know best what's giving them the most grief and where they can bring about improvement.
You know, I really love when I go out in the factory and I see the robots doing things, and it's very, very nifty.
I think he's an innovator and a visionary. He's always, he's not a follower, he's a leader.
Between the love of machinery and the love of business and the excitement of knowing that it's a worldwide game. You know, when Marshall McLuhan talked in the 60s about the world being a global village, nobody knew what the hell he was talking about. But we certainly know now. Sometimes we get our butts kicked, but sometimes we kick other people's butts. And we're here.
Ed has given his time and talent to the Winnipeg Jazz Orchestra, the Canadian Club, the Jewish Foundation of Manitoba, and the University of Manitoba's Faculty of Engineering. We are proud to welcome Ed Shinewald to the Manitoba Manufacturers Hall of Fame.